revolution will be live.
Okay.
Alright, just a couple bolts we gotta tighten up. But so far the test ride, it feels so small. I'm used to that 1400 and I feel like I'm like on a clown car or something. But other than that, it's just tightening up some wires, zip tying, getting the air duct, the air tubes and such. But other than that, the bike is mechanically sound. We're gonna make some changes to, we gotta grease the, because this is throttle by, clutch by wire. So we gotta make sure that's nice. The throttle didn't stick as much, but I know it has this cruise control thing on it. So you could tighten it up or whatnot, but for the most part, it revs high. I was even just revving it a little bit, but a different style of bike as opposed to what I'm used to. But overall, I test rode it first for safety. A couple of things I have to fasten, some bolts. But I mean, other than that, Honda is known for having bulletproof motors. You really rarely see them in the shops, So that being said, I think it's good.